Hey guys, it's me and I'm here with my friend Katie, and today we're going to be doing the strip down challenge. And if you don't know what that is, it's where you, if you mess up, you just gotta do it. Like, you just post it anyways, and you're going to name the video strip down challenge. And we're just going to be doing this video for 10 minutes, so sit down and relax. We're just going to be talking. Okay, Katie, what do you want to do? I don't know either. Wait. Do you want to go troll? Okay, let's go. Okay, I'll give you the first name. Her name is, I need to find somebody that really likes to talk. Okay. Darn it, I found you. I was going to put your name. Okay, this is my bae. Okay. Darn it. She divorced me. How nice. Okay. But her name is this. Wait, how do you? Where did her name go? Oh, God. Okay. Let me do it. Yes, that's her user. Okay. Okay, so how long is this video going to be for? Okay. Ah, this is going to be hard. I already messed up. Ugh. Oh no, I didn't want to press that thing. Let's go get some stuff. This is so boring. How will I know? Are you ready, Katie? Okay, that's your user. Let me see it. I'm going to go on Skype so I can see your screen. Okay, I'm just going to go up her screen. Why can't I, okay, so that's her account. You sure you did it? Let me try again. Wait 1 second. This is an epic fail. Here. Okay, I got one. I'm gonna give you it. Rose Bloss. Okay, type in that user. Okay, message her. Do whatever you want. Say whatever you want. Yes. Okay, put this down. Say like, hey baby. Oh my God. You're gonna kill me today. I don't know if she'll respond. Is she responding yet? Just keep messaging her. Hubba. I remember that. Oh, I messed up. Okay. Okay, put in hubba, and then, okay, go to hubba, say hubba in capitals, and then go to the emojis. And now go to the emojis. Yeah. Go scroll down, like press the down button. Okay, it's the one next to it's the one that has hearts and it's like the tongue sticking out. Yeah. You think she'll respond? Here, you give one to me while you're waiting for her. Here, give me something. Let me share screen now.
Wait, this girl answered.
Okay, go. Okay. Oh, darn it. I need to stop sharing screen. Okay, go ahead. Okay.
Oh, this one I don't know about.
Okay.
Right.
Share your screen. I don't see your screen, for God's sake. Am I done recording yet? It feels like it's been 10 minutes, but it hasn't. Ugh.
See this person,
Yeah.
level 45.
Oh, God.
You want to do this person?
Sure. Put her name in the Skype because I can't see her name because of her stupid head. She has a big head. Wait, does it have space?
Yeah, it has all the space.
Okay. Wait, send it one more time. Just really quick, please. Eh. Okay. I am fine. Oh, darn it. Type in here. Okay. Infinity and beyond one. Is she level 45? Okay. I see her. Okay. I friended her. She didn't respond yet. What do I say? No. Starting now, yeah. Okay. What do I say? Okay, what do I say to her? The wink fish? Oh, I didn't notice your butt. Oh, God. Is it time yet? Because I'm very getting bored. Oh, she's answered. She's like, hi. Should I jump on her? Or no? Katie. Should I jump on her? Like that one there? Oh. Oh, okay, just tell me the rest. That's a pass. Oh, okay. She just said this. You think she'll ever forgive me after doing this? Okay. Okay. I'm trolling. With what's her user? Baby blue? Baby blue pink. No, she didn't. Oh. I'm an idiot. I know, I read your statues. Dang it! Oh, that's annoying. Okay, guys. See you guys next time with another troll. Bye.